Hey internet friends, this is Tim Schrock. Do you want to show shadows in the proper location of where the house is and time of day for your project? Follow along and I'll show you how you can get this too. To start off with, I've got my house model and my terrain already built and modeled here. I'm going to switch to the maps, whatever map situation, map service you use. I'm using Google Maps, and for the sake of this sample for the privacy of our clients, I'm going to use our office address as if this is the house model. So north, if here's the front of the, let's go to the satellite view. The front of the building is on the left, and so north is straight up to the right. Sometimes you will need to pay attention to what the north arrow is doing in your map provider. So like I can turn this map and north is now still pointing to the right or the left of the building if you're facing the front of it. So that's important to start off with. I'm going to draw in the, I could do CAD lines north pointer, or in the draw line tool, one of the child tools is the north pointer. So for this case, north is directly to the left side of the building. The next step in this process is to obtain the sun angle. So in the child tools again, after I drew the north pointer, I'm going to click on this sun angle icon and do one left click out here anywhere in the project, in the plan view. I need to enter latitude and longitude, and I get that from this website called latlong.net/convert-address-to-lat-long.html. I'll put that in the description below, that link. I'm going to back up one page and just copy this address, highlight, and Control C or Command C if you're on a Mac. I've bookmarked this lat-long from address link in my browser. So I've copied the address and I'm just going to paste that in there and find. Now I can copy my latitude. I'll highlight the latitude and switch to Chief Architect and paste that in my latitude. Switch back to Chrome. Now I have found that when in the Northern Hemisphere, when this gives the longitude of -85 and change, I do not copy the minus. And I paste that in the longitude. So latitude is 39 degrees north, 85 degrees west. I give it today's date and the time zone. I like to show a little longer plan symbol and make shadow. So at 1 p.m. this afternoon, the sun will be out in this space, casting a shadow to the left, and that makes sense to me that the sun would be on the southern side, the shadow would be on the northern side of the house. Take a rendering, and there's the shadow view from today at 1 o'clock local time. I hope this has been helpful. As always, like, subscribe, follow along, and leave comments if you've got questions or ideas. I always enjoy hearing those, and many times I learn from them as well. So Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a wonderful week.